In this video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu in Microsoft Excel. If you'd like to learn how to do a drop-down menu in Word, you can click the link you see on your screen, or at the end of the video there will be another link. So in Microsoft Excel, when you're creating a drop-down, let's say I want to do one for student name and I want to create one for my class. You want to select the cells that you want to have the drop-down. If you change your mind later and want to add or delete more, you can. And you want it in the Data tab. You're going to go to Data Validation and click the drop down arrow, and you're going to click Data Validation again. Now here you have several different choices, but from this drop down you want to choose List from a list. Now you have two options. If you're only going to enter one or two, you could just go ahead and type in here. So if I had John and Mike, I could just type that in, and when I click OK, I'll get the drop down arrow in all these cells for John and Mike. But if you have a longer list, we'll go back to Data Validation again, and we want to go to List. If you have a longer list, what you can do, instead of typing it in, you can type it out on your spreadsheet. And for example, on sheet 2, I went ahead and typed in a few more names. So if you click on this little symbol here, it'll now allow you to choose from your workbook. So if I choose these 4 names right here and click enter on my keyboard, it now tells what cells to read from. And if I click OK again, now I'll have all 4 of those names. And when I click the drop down arrow, I can see all of those names. Now as you find you want to add more, if you decide you wanted to have one here, if you grab this cell and grab the little box in the corner and pull down, it will copy that drop down menu here. Now again, I'll do it again, but maybe you want to record if people turn in permission slips or their homework. Again, you want to grab the cells, go to the Data tab, Data Validation again, and you want to choose List. And again, you could type yes, no, or anything you want, or somewhere on your workbook, if you already have it typed up like I have here on sheet 2, you select the ones you want from there, click your enter button, click OK, and now all of these have a drop down menu of text of my choosing. If you want to learn how to do a drop down menu in Microsoft Word, you can go ahead and click the link you see at the top of your screen.